Greetings and salutations, viewers! To Desai Cybertron X, coming to you with a new Transformers review. I'm planning on doing, per my title page, Classics or Universe Starscream. This is the little one, not the masterpiece. If I had the masterpiece, I would review it and then lock it in a safety deposit box, because the thing's worth a lot of fucking money. Or friggin' money. Don't know if I'm going to get barred because of that language. Let me adjust my camera here. It's starting to fall over. Adjust it. Focus. 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 Sorry. I lose my mind when I start doing videos. Alright. Transformers Universe Starscream. What can you say about Starscream? Well, there's a lot you can say about Starscream. First of all, he is a maniacal, backstabbing, underhanded, dirty-dealing, kiss-ass, suck-up, brown-noser, will rather sell his own mama to get ahead than listen to Megatron, or will kiss-ass to Megatron so he doesn't get blasted. That's Starscream in a nutshell. Starscream is... he thinks he's second in command of the Decepticons. But all he really commands is a big laugh from Megatron. But he does lead the Seekers, which are the jet forms. You have Starscream, Skywarp, and Thundercracker on Earth. And I forget what they're called on Cybertron. I think one's called Acid Storm, and that's basically just a repaint of Starscream. Which I'm not going to get since I got Starscream, unless I want to collect the Seekers. But to do that, I got to get Thundercracker and Skywarp and have my own Air Force. But Starscream is... he, in his own right, is a good warrior. He does what any other warrior will do. He stands in the back, waits till it's all done fighting, and come shoot the weaker ones. I probably am going to screw some of this up, but here goes with some other things I know about Starscream. Starscream has been in every form of the Transformers except two I'm sure of, which is Robots in Disguise, or RID, and Beast Wars. No, wait. His Spark showed up in Beast Wars and formed with Waspinator. Merged with Waspinator for a while. So yeah, Starscream has been in Beast Wars. So Robots in Disguise, he didn't show up. He shows up in the Unicron trilogy, voiced by the same actor, I believe, for all three series. I actually have this version, the Energon version, the Cybertron version, and the animated version of Starscream. So I'm thinking about doing an evolution video of Starscream. But onto this figure. I might actually just... well, I've done the first Starscream, Cybertron Starscream. Now I'm going to do this Starscream. I'm going to do the Energon Starscream when I dig him out of storage, and I'll do animated Starscream. But Starscream, this Starscream, very G1 looking. I mean, the colors are perfect down to the wings, the wing colors here, the chest color, the leg color, the knees, the feet, everything, that little blue thing here. Very, very great art coloring, paint job on this Starscream. And very, very good plastic, but the Hinke versions, I believe, have metal bodies. I'm not sure. I never really owned the original Starscream. I would love to get him. I would love to get the original Starscream, the G1 Starscream. Let's go ahead and turn them into vehicle mode. What I'll do is first is I just lock the feet in, fold up those, fold the wings down here, rotate this till it locks, and that part's done. You want to remove the blasters from his wrist and just insert them into little pegs right back here on the wings. Oh, one other thing I forgot to point out, it does have the rubs thing. Is he Autobot or Decepticon? Can't really... Yep, he's Decepticon. Go ahead and flip the nose cone up and lock it in place. Bring the back portion up here. Rotate the fist in, and then rotate the arms inward like so on both sides. Bring up the head. Rotate the nose cone. Lock it into that little peg right there and that little hole. Lock it in there. Bring that down. Go ahead and slide the feet in. Then rotate the wings back. And there you have him in the F-15 Tomcat vehicle mode. I mean, this is very cool. Some people have gone and changed the color of the nose cone, but I like it this way because I think if I remember right in the cartoon it was black, but I do like the blue look to it. I might change it, I'm not sure. But there is one problem with, there's that big hole here. But I use it to my advantage, stick my finger on it, and there he is, he's flying. These little grooves here will fold out to wheels, so you do have a little bit of a landing scenario. I do like this figure a lot. I mean, I do, for being a Universe, this is the first of the Universe series. I have, out of the first string of them, I have Starscream, Bumblebee, Megatron, and Optimus Prime and Astro Train. And you saw my reproduction of Soundwave. I got him. So, I think he was a Universe, but he was a reproduction, I mean, very close to I mean, almost similar. But then I found out that he only housed one cassette, but my version holds two, which is Ravage and Laserbeak. Overall, I do like this Universe version of Starscream. I mean, he's very, very G1 looking. I mean, very G1 looking. He is G1 looking. I mean, you can't go wrong with that. I mean, granted they could have done something with the big old hole here, but overall, I mean, very, very good. I mean, even the tail end looks, the tail looks good. I mean, you could take a picture of him, compare it to an image from the original G1 cartoon, and I mean, it would match. I mean, match flawlessly. But overall, I do like this figure. And also, I'd like to say thank you to I have my 40th subscribers. 40 subscribers so far. And I could not do it all on my own. I'd like to thank once again Kal-El Prime for putting a shout out there for me. Hopefully I can do the same for you, or hopefully maybe if you see this and want to collaborate on something, I would be honored if me and you could do something together. Video or something, or bantering back and forth. But Kal-El Prime, if you would like to, please message me on my Yahoo page or on my YouTube page, and let's do that. Great. I'm begging for approval. No, I'm not begging for approval. I'm just wanting to get to know some people. Please, at the end of this, I like to have 5 stars. Give me how many stars you want, just as long as it's not just 1. Please comment, rate. I do appreciate it. This is Cybertron Axe. Till all are one. Farewell.